Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with Scolecite, the stone of unity. For those who have watched my videos before, welcome back. I really appreciate your curiosity about gemstones. For those who are brand new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. So if you have been watching my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, then please do subscribe so you don't miss a single crystal video. And so you'll continue to learn how to bring about transformation and change in your life with gemstones. And today we're going to talk about how you can do that with Scolecite. Now, Scolecite is one of the more uncommon gemstones, and I love to do these videos about uncommon gemstones because it really gives you an opportunity to expand your crystal collection and to reach out and find a gemstone that you might not have already heard about and that might bring more support and benefit to your life. And I discovered Scolecite about 10 years ago, and it wasn't highly known at that time, but it's much easier to find. It's much more prevalent on the market now. And it's a really beautiful stone that grows in a crystalline, fan-like pattern. It's hard to see because this is a tumbled version of the stone, but you can also buy this in a rough form as well. And it's really lovely. It also comes in light peach colored shades as well. So how can Scolecite help you? The stone of unity. Well, the first benefit of working with Scolecite is that it instills a deep sense of inner peace and calm. So if you're feeling like life has been really stressful and overwhelming and you need a break from the chaos, then sitting with Scolecite will just help you release any feelings of stress, anxiety, overwhelm that you might be feeling. It's like taking a little bit of a vacation from the swirl of activities and emotions in your life. This is an excellent stone to bring a sense of inner peace and calm to your environment as well. So having several pieces of this in your meditation area, in your bedroom if you're trying to relax and calm down for sleep, or even in your work area if you work in a stressful job, then having a piece of Scolecite nearby to just pick up and hold and breathe and release that and give you just a moment of peace before you move on to your next activity is incredibly helpful. The second benefit of working with Scolecite is that it is the stone of unity, and it helps us feel a deep connection to all. If you are connected to a spiritual or religious faith that, encourages our sense of feeling one with all, this is a stone that really helps us develop that sense. It connects us to the energy of the universe, to all soul spaces, to all of humanity. If you're feeling kind of disconnected in this world, you're feeling a little alone, you're not feeling connected to your community, to the global community, to your spiritual energies, then meditating with Scolecite will help you start to sense that energetic connection that we have with everyone else, with all other energetic beings on this planet, in this universe. It helps us feel that we are part of it all, that we're not alone, that we are experiencing similar emotions, similar life frustrations and challenges. And this is a great stone if you have been wanting to reach out and get involved with charities and nonprofits and other organizations that help lift up the world. Scolecite will help you identify the right ones for you. This is also a stone that helps bring peace and harmony in relationships because we're feeling more connected and more empathetic to other people that we may be having a tense relationship with or disagreements with. So if you have friends or coworkers or family members and you want to bring more peace and calm and understanding to those relationships, then carrying Scolecite with you when you're around those people will help to diffuse the tension between you and help you see life from the other person's vantage point. The third benefit of working with Scolecite is that it strengthens our aura. And what this means is that it helps us to focus our energy and tension into strengthening our energetic field, our protective aura, and healing any spaces that might be weak or left open a little bit. If you've recently been working on letting go of energetic attachments from other situations or other people, then that might leave weak or open spaces in our energy field. And this results in a leak of energy. If you've been feeling tired, lethargic, unmotivated, and you just don't know why, it's a good idea to sit with Scolecite and allow its energy to flood your own, heal and close off any weak parts of your aura, and just really bring it some strength so that you can keep all of your own personal energy within. It will help you feel more awake and alive and connected, and it will help you feel just more solid and stable in your own energy field. And then the fourth benefit of working with Scolecite is that it helps us recover from trauma. This is a stone that helps you sit with, face, and process both recent and past traumas. It helps to strengthen your aura, to strengthen your energy space, to create a safe, healing environment for you. It helps us to look at those events and emotions without feeling overwhelmed. It helps us release any sense of fear, anxiety, self-judgment, criticism, regret, guilt, anything that might be associated with that trauma. It allows you to let it go and just focus on healing. This is a great stone to bring with you to therapy sessions, and it's a wonderful stone to have with you if you get struck by the emotions and are feeling overwhelmed by it in the moment. Then pick up the stone and it will help you feel at peace and safe so that you won't be bowled over by whatever is arising for you. Thank you so much for watching this video about how Scolecite can help you in your everyday life And it's been a really useful stone for me in this year of 2020 and the pandemic and the lockdowns. And I'm feeling a little disconnected with my community, with my friends and family. And Scolecite helps me remember that I'm not alone, that there are ways to reach out and connect. And even if I'm not seeing others physically, we are still connected energetically. There's still love, there's still friendship, there is still that energy that drives that relationship between you and other people. If you're feeling that right now, after nearly a year of this pandemic isolation, then this is a great stone for you. It also helps me. There are times when I feel like I really need some solitude, but I still don't want to feel disconnected from the rest of the world. Then Scolecite helps me bring that into balance. So thank you so much for sitting with me today to hear about the benefits of Scolecite. If you do feel like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with some more, then in 2 days, I will be posting a guided meditation designed specifically for Scolecite. And you do not need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation. But if anything I talked about in this video or any of the prompts that I bring up during the guided meditation really feel familiar to you, they call to you, or if they bring up red flags, then that's a sign that you should get some Scolecite and work with it some more. If you're new to the channel and you're interested in how crystal wisdom can really bring about transformational change and improvement in your life, then I talk about a different gemstone every single week and how it can support you in your everyday life situations. And I post guided meditations to help you sit with those stones and really consider the aspects of your life and to feel the energy of the stone and help you decide what gemstones you would like to work with. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're really interested in manifesting change in your life so you don't miss a single crystal video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.